So I'm actually an urban planner in public health. So what that means is I study the conditions that enable us to be healthy or maybe prevent us from having healthy behaviors. So I think about the built environment, the policy environment, the cultural environment, what are called the social determinants of health. So prior to doing my doctorate, I actually worked at the World Health Organization. I was involved in international and global spaces for health and development. And when I came to do my doctorate, I fell in love with students. And I was like, if I really want to make an impact in this world, I will teach students how to do the work that I did when I was at WHO and the World Bank and working in those global settings. So why I teach is because I want to create a cadre of students that will go out there and change the world. So I am not a typical teacher. I think of myself as a facilitator. So what I like to do is engage students in their own learning process. So they come to my classes and they actually have to workshop the content that they're learning at home. So it's really fun. I'm very practical. I'm solution oriented for my students, but that means being able to identify the problem at the root cause. So we have really deep conversations and then we move forward to do very practical proposals to make our world a better and healthier place. My philosophy of teaching is to consider every student as a potential change maker. When I am teaching in the class or with students outside, how I feel is, how are these students going to be prepared to work in the future to make this world healthier, more just, more peaceful? So that's my philosophy. How do I create the best change makers at Cal State Fullerton? It's true what they say. When you find your academic home, you'll know. And it was so natural that even during the interview process, I would say, when I come here, I mean, when the final candidate comes here. So it had to do with the people that I met and the expertise that's on this campus. It's amazing. I'm so proud to be a Titan.